And if you don't like it, don't watch it. Duh.
Look me in my face, cause you know you are hungry.
Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Imani, and let's go ahead and get straight to this video because I'm actually kind of excited to do this because I don't think we really realize how much we grow when we do stuff, whether it be makeup, hair, drawing, music. It's just so cool and sometimes a little cringy to look back on where we started versus where we are now. So I got my phone right here because in real time I'm going to be giving you guys my reaction to like my older makeup looks, and I'm actually going to get on Instagram because I have so much stuff in my phone, and honestly I'm not even trying to be distracted by what's in there. So let's go. And I'm starting from the beginning, y'all. And if you've been with me for this long, you probably know where I started, and honestly thinking about it now, it's kind of just like, girl, humble beginnings. So the first photo that pops up of me really like doing my makeup, oh my gosh, is this picture where I quite literally recreated Aaliyah J's, I think her fall glam. And I actually did a tutorial on this, so if you're interested in seeing how that looks, I will tag it up here for you guys. Your girl tried, I will say that. And this was around the time that, you know, like these looks were like really popular. Like this is when the beauty community was like really eating, okay? So down to the white nails, down to the Bobbiana that looks horrendous. I'm not even gonna lie to you. My brows, they were so dark, but they were there though. They were up there. I like that. So honestly, I think for that palette, if I can remember, did I tag it in here? I didn't tag it in the comments. This look, first of all, that's insane. My engagement used to be crazy back then. But I think I used like the Nika K eyeshadow palette, and if you know, you know. That's like, come on out. That's OG eyeshadow beauty supply store palette, but it's so good. It's so, if you know how to apply it, but it's so good. I'm not gonna lie, I think I vividly remember using Facetune a lot to really make the color vibrant, to really make it pop. With my lashes, I just always had like over the top lashes. So I mean, the lashes look really similar, they look really cute. The eyeshadow look itself, I know for a fact my blend game was not there, but I was proud of this look. I was really proud of it, and y'all were too. For me to get 496 likes, y'all were proud of this look. The lip combo, oh my gosh. I don't even know what I use. I probably use an eyebrow pencil or something, because I know for a fact I really wasn't stunting like lip liners back then. So I got close. It was kind of like one of those what I asked for versus what I got, but I still think I did pretty daggone good. Okay, so I'm gonna go into this one. This one is a blue cut crease, not the matching bandana and everything. I think I even used tape on the side to make it sharper. Then, oh, the highlighter on the brow. I can tell you right now, the palette that I used as far as the highlighter goes, that was definitely the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. And baby, that brow is browning when it comes to that highlighter underneath it. It's cute. I will give myself some credit because for me to do a blue eyeshadow look and, you know, try my hand at the cut crease with multiple colors, I like to think I still did pretty daggone good. Like, it looks really good. I can tell that I overly smoothed my skin though in that Facetune app. That Facetune app had me in a chokehold. I'm not even gonna lie to you. But overall, still 10 out of 10. Still 10 out of 10. Still 10 out of 10. Okay, so this one is absolutely stunning. I'm not even gonna lie to you. It's super duper cute. So this was before I really even like knew that like Jeffree Star was canceled at the time. But I had used his Jawbreaker palette, and the payoff on it was so good though. Like the look came out so cute. Y'all see that glitter backdrop in the background? Like, come on now, that's like OG beauty guru time frame. Like, this is so cute. The wig the wig is what we're gonna say. The wig, the lashes are lashing. I actually did tag everybody. Fantasy Hair Beauty, they're not even around anymore. Concealer, Tarte Cosmetics, of course. Setting spray, Black Radiance Beauty. Eyeshadow palette, I just told you guys what that was. Setting powder, Air Spun. And if you know, you know. Come on, Air Spun is like the OJ. It's like orange juice. It's the OG. Then I use Maybelline for the foundation. So I use Black Radiance Beauty for the contour palette. For powder foundation, CoverGirl. I'm assuming kind of like how I use my pressed powder now. Blush, Maybelline. Mascara, Rimmel. Yeah. Lashes. Oh my gosh. Kaiko Cosmetics. I remember her because I used to love her packages and I loved her lashes. I thought her lashes were gorgeous. I think some of them was like Brazil and all the other stuff. Like it was just really, really pretty. I don't even know if she's still around anymore. Eyeliner, Nika K, of course. Lips, Maybelline, Absolute New York products. That's probably because I had the, oh my gosh, this is my go-to one. I think it was like Velvet Cream or something like that. But it was Absolute New York Lippy. And it was like, I think it was Velvet Pink or Velvet, it was Velvet something over, but it was one of my favorite go-to lippies at the time. I wonder if I could recreate it. I'm gonna go back and go look in that video and see exactly if I like mentioned the exact name on it, because I'm gonna go find that video. It's a LA Color Cosmetics and highlighter was a brand called Shop Mills Palette. But this is super duper cute. Super duper cute. I'm gonna just go straight up to the next one. Okay, so a lot to unpack here. The clips we're eating. I don't even remember where I got those clips from, but they are super cute. See, I know it was a Velvet Lippy. I'm sorry, Absolute New York products that commented on this, so I'm looking now. Yes, the hair, woo. That, I don't know why I did that baby hair like that up there. It wasn't giving, but I mean, it was kind of cute back then. I was cute. The clips, eating. The brows, dark. I can tell I use like a maybe like a pomade or a dip brow, something. I use one of those. I know for a fact I use the Juvia's Place. Oh my gosh, the Warrior palette. Yeah, I know for a fact I use that. The lashes are Lashing, and I knew it was by them. Yeah, these lashes were in the style Valley. Oh, I also had her lip gloss collection. I forgot because she had some really pretty nudes. The halo is haloing. Why does it seem like my halos were so much better then? What did I do different? What did I do different? The lashes are Lashing. Girl, they're long. I'm not even gonna lie. You can barely see. The backdrop is giving a goddess though. And I look so cute. I look so young. Definitely use that smooth filter like crazy. I was cute. I actually still like this look. It's super duper cute. Oh, okay. So this one, yeah, we're gonna talk about this one. So this was during quarantine. So I was pregnant with my son Caden at the time, and when COVID hit, it really hit like at the turn of the year. So I didn't even know this was gonna happen. So we were stuck in the house. So I did a look inspired by it, and I was like, all right, you know what? I'm just going to give y'all like quarantine realness. But girl, my makeup looks kind of harsh. My brows are eating. The wig looks better. She elevated a little bit. The green lip was different. I see where I was trying to go with that. I think honestly, I was trying to find myself again after being in this quarantine for like, it was only like a month in though, which is crazy. But I was pregnant, we had just moved, it was a lot going on, so you know, I really hadn't been touching my makeup brushes in a while, so I was just like, you know what, let me see if I still got it. And this almost made me be like, you know what, maybe I don't have it like I thought I did. So which is crazy because while I was pregnant with all of my kids, I hit like creative peaks and I would really be out there creating. But this one, I give her like a solid 5 out of 10. Like, I get what I was trying to do, but I was just finding myself again, but that just wasn't giving. So then we branch out into, oh, okay, yeah. So do y'all remember the Don't Rush challenge? Where, and mind, this was a long time ago. Please tell me I'm not the only one that remembers this because I know I'm not insane. This is 2020, and we had the Don't Rush challenge. It was kind of like the Afrobeat song, and we would all do like the transitions of like, we would look crazy. Hair was messed up. We would like be looking crazy in the face, but then we'll take like a makeup brush and we'll wipe the screen, like that transition, and then like we will be put together. That's what this was, and it came out so fire. I can't remember how many months along I was in this one. I just knew that in the next like 3 months I was going to be giving birth, so probably like 5 or 6 months. Yeah. But this one, first of all, my boobaes were boobaing. The lip, I think when I posted this look, I didn't really care for the lip because I was like, why did it come out more red than anything? But the eye look, the cut crease was cut creasing. This looks fire. Like my brows and everything. I healed the heck out of that hairline because I know for a fact my lace was lifting, sis, but it's okay because the lace looks a lot better. But the lashes, ooh, those are 25mm lashes, girl. But this came out super duper cute. I really like it. I like this. This is a 10 out of 10 for me. 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10. So then let's move into, what look, how many looks did I just do? I also had hopped into my creative back with this one. This one was super pretty. This one, I'm just gonna tell you off the board, 20 out of 10. I was really trying my creative hand during this time with this butterfly look, and I was pregnant, but it just, I don't know. It was that eye trend was going around with it, and I used to freehand a lot of my stuff, and this look came out so pretty. It took so long, but I really genuinely love the way it came out. Like, I can't even be mad at it. I listed everything obviously in the comments down below because I was tagging the heck out of brands then. But oh, this is like when the fluffy brow had came in too, because I wasn't even concealing or doing the top part of my brow. I was just focusing on everything else. But this looks so cute. 20 out of 10 with that one. I really love that butterfly look. It's one of my favorite looks. Then we move into this one. I think I actually did a makeup tutorial with this one too on my channel. This was in collaboration with another fellow makeup artist in this general area, and we did like a Polaroid glam when that was also like the trend at the time. And once again, freehanding everything. This look is 1000 out of 10. Like, I exceeded expectations with this. I was so nervous because I was like, I hope this comes out the way I envision it. Like, it literally was gorgeous. The cloud, the rainbow, like, it definitely was so pretty. Like, to see the difference on one side and the other. And then I was obsessed with bottom lashes back then. Like, this is so cute. It's just, I don't even know where that top is. I thought I was on my sexy game when I had bought the top like years ago. I think I even bought it from Fashion Nova or Amazon. I don't know what I was doing, but it was cute then. But yes, everything about this is so cute. I love that little red lip. Maybe it looked nude or different on camera, but this look is super duper cute. Oh my gosh, I remember when I posted this one and everybody was like going crazy. I think somebody had messaged me and was like, oh my gosh, you're like in multiple places on the Explore page, which is crazy because back then the Explore page was so much calmer. Like, people used to try so hard to get on it too, but like now it's just like crickets. But this right here, this dragon took so long, and I don't even know what made me want to do it. I just wanted to try my hand drawing because most people don't know I really love to draw at one point. And this look is still one of my favorites. Like, it just looks so gorgeous. Like, it was just so pretty, the dragon. I really love this look. Like, what can I say? You see the material. Like, it just looks really, really, really good. Really, really good. I really love that look. All right, let's do one more. I hate having to do one more because I have so many cute looks on here, and so many of them like represented a different time frame for me. Oh my gosh, it's like a time capsule looking back in here. I don't want to choose. Okay, I'm not gonna explain like a few of these. I just want to rate them just because I feel like they deserve to be seen. Okay, so this galaxy look that took me forever to figure out the color scheme to get the galaxy look, 2000 out of 10. This is gorgeous. Then I did a Black Lives Matter when everything was going on, especially with the George Floyd issue. I love it just because it's near and dear. You know, our community really came together during that time. So that's, I'm not gonna rate that one because that one's just, that's close to that one. Then this watermelon look that I did was actually, who had me do a takeover for them? Oh, it was the American Influencer Awards. They actually wanted me to do a takeover for them. And I did, and I was so happy. It was so fun. I was just stuck. I was just like, wow, I'm really having to do this. But this look came out so cute, and I'm just happy to do this because I feel like, you know, wow, I'm being seen here. Like, these brands see me. The AIA wanted me to do a takeover for them. It was so crazy. All right, the last one I'm gonna do, and if you want to see more of my looks, just go on my Instagram at Imani E. I know a lot of people just say Miss Imani, but it's Miss Imani E. The E is for my middle name. My middle name is Elizabeth. So if you want to see these looks, just, you know, go to my Instagram. You can scroll down and you'll see a lot of the looks that I did and where I am now is so crazy. But this last one that I'm just going to make a post about because I felt like I really did my big one. So Elle Cosmetics was hosting like a music genre contest where for like each day they will post like what the genre is, and they wanted you to create a look based off of that. And so if you go on my Instagram, you'll also see like that whole thread of what I was doing. And when it came to the hip hop one, oh my gosh, I was so in love with it. And mind you, this is when like BH Cosmetics, Elle Cosmetics, like even the crayon case, like these were still heavily like, they were heavily posting, they were like heavily sought after. Not saying Elle isn't anymore, but like these specific ones, like the makeup community was like really big, and like the brand trips, the makeup tutorials on YouTube, these are when they were really like jumping. But this look, I really did my big one with this one because I tried my head at a graffiti look. I did multiple colors. Like it took so long for me to do this makeup look, but I just remember being so proud of it when I was done, because I was just like, wow, I really tried my hand at a graffiti look and it really came out the exact way like I envisioned. Like I was so proud of the look, and so many people love that look. But I miss being so creative, honestly, and I just miss how makeup was back then. Everything is so clean, girl. Everything is so soft glam now. I'm just like, where's the color? Where's the fun in makeup? People, I feel like, step back from that because people got so judgmental. But I'm just like, girl, it's my face. I don't care what you think or say. You're not putting these makeup products in my basket. You're not paying that bill for these products. You're not even doing my makeup. I'm gonna do what I want to do with my makeup on my face. And if you don't like it, don't watch it. Duh. And that was my whole thing about it. But that, I'm gonna leave it there. But I'm thinking about bringing all this stuff back because I really love doing these kind of looks. They were fun. But this is pretty much it for this video, guys. And I really hope you guys enjoyed seeing my throwback makeup looks. I actually really enjoyed going back. Like I actually have like a smile on my face right now because I was like, wow, I was really in my makeup bag. I was really doing my big one back then. Like I was really showing out my creativity. Like, thank you, Lord. And it just felt good. So if you guys want to see more videos like this, or if you feel like I should go back and just recreate some of my looks, let me know down in the comments. I want to hear from you guys. Let me know what you think. Let me know which one was your favorite look. And yeah, be sure to go check out some of my previous videos. Also remember that Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays I post at 4 on the dot. Like there's no, oh, it's 4:01. Like no, I post 4 o'clock on the dot Eastern Standard Time. So like if you're in LA or California, I think it's like what, 1 p.m. your time. And then like if you're in, I think some of the southern states, because I think we're an hour ahead of you, it'll be 3 p.m. your time. So you know, just to let them know, 4 p.m. my time Eastern. So be sure to hit the bell so you can be notified when these uploads happen. And then also I'll be going live every Saturday at 2 p.m. So don't miss it, girl. Come and chat and talk with me so that way we can connect and possibly bring back these makeup looks because they were fire. But that is pretty much it for this video, guys. And thank you for tuning in. I will see you in the next one. Bye.